Hi, this is Lee here, and welcome back to another unboxing review. Today I'm doing this. This is a box from Amazon. As you see, the smiley face upside down, and if I just open it up, then we should see what's inside. Now, this is... Yes! Finally! The 13th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver, which is something I've been waiting for quite a while, actually. I ordered this at the beginning of the month, and it's only just come. For context, today is the 25th, I think. Either 24th or 25th, so it's taken about over 20 days to come, and this is it. Yeah. So anyway, my Sonic Screwdriver collection is now complete-ish. I have asked for an 8th Doctor one from RB Replicas. Hopefully that should come by the end of the year, but I'm not sure. I'll probably do an unboxing review of that as well. But yeah, this is the 13th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver with electronic Sonic Screwdriver with lights and sounds. Great. Includes new diagnostic sound effect, electronic lights and sounds. See inside to leave for the instructions, and you've got all these legal stuff. Epilepsy warning. What else? And there's battery information in there. Demonstration of batteries included, which is fantastic. And everything else. Now, with the demonstration batteries, it does say that you have to get rid of them and have another one, and well, put some other ones in place. But that's just a load of bull because I've never done that. Anyway, let's just crack it open and just see what it's like. Okay, so now, if you've been following my channel for a while, you would know that I've done a 12th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver unboxing review, and with that one, I had a bit of trouble getting it out of the box. Let's just see if this is any better. Oh dear. In short, yes. That wasn't really too difficult at all. Now, oh, this is quite nice. You just need to pull this out in order to get the batteries into place. Oop. Like that. Now, oh, I like this. It's sort of held into place. It sort of clicks into place, and I quite like that. Why it's still glowing, I don't know. Okay. Okay, so why it was glowing, I don't know, but this is quite nice, actually. It sort of fits in the hands quite well. Why it does that, I don't know, actually. But it looks quite good. You see? What? No. Oh well. But, it looks exactly as it does in the trailers. What is it going to do that? Oh, that spins. Didn't realise that. And that spins as well at the bottom of the switch. The switch at the top doesn't work for some reason. Although I can see it is wired up inside. Other perhaps not. I also like the way this it's sort of clicks into place. I mean, you can display it with like that, but it only lasts a few seconds, thankfully, so it won't actually wear out the batteries. So yeah, I have seen a review of this before, and the reviewer didn't think much of it because this button doesn't do any good, and the 721, which is released in America, is frosted and has these bits frosted and things as well. Although I have to say, I quite like this one on its own. It is quite good. It holds in hands great. You can do that. Press it twice for the diagnostic sound effect, and 3 times for the broken, which is probably where the epilepsy warning comes into place. And I like this. I really do. Well, I'm not quite sure why it carries on doing that, though, whenever you hold it. I mean, whenever you grip it... Oh, I think I know why. It's because of this. If you grip it like that, if you grip the handle of it, because that's where the batteries are. I need to screw that in a bit more, I think, because I need to sort of see what's happening there. But I think that if you grasp the batteries, then with where the batteries are, then that sort of causes it to ignite. So yeah, I'll have to look into that. But yeah, and I think that's all I've got time for today. Oh, unless there's something else in here. Aha. Instructions. Okay. Okay, right. And to operate. Button B is dummy and does not function. Okay. That's it. Oh! Oh, that's quite clever. I didn't realise that. So it isn't the batteries at all. It's designed to light up when you hold it. That's really, really clever. When you pick up and hold it, it lights up. That is so cool. I don't have any other sonic screwdrivers which do that, and that is absolutely amazing. That really is. When you place it down or remove your hands, the internal light will fade out. It'll go into sleep mode if held for about 2 minutes. To wake, release and hold again, and it will light up. Oh, that is really good, actually. So, I thought it was a bug, but it isn't. It's just the way it's built. And I like that, I really do. There must be some sort of sensor inside. But, oh my goodness, that is so, so cool. Just to do that, and then... That is amazing. Thank you very much, character. That is quite good. I think that's quite something over the 721. I must have said 711 before, I do apologise. But anyway, I think that's it now. So, yeah. Thank you very much for watching. If you did, please subscribe for more videos, and please give this video a like if you did like it. And, yeah, I've done other sonic screwdrivers like this, well, not like this, but other sonic screwdriver unboxing reviews, and fairly soon, hopefully by the end of the month, I will do an unboxing review well, not an unboxing review, but something very special, which I've been thinking about for a long time, and now I'm finally able to do it. So that should hopefully come by the end of the month, and please stick around for that. Anyway, thank you very much for watching TCFN.